Crowns for dental use are a standard procedure for dental patients that they will require at some point during their lives. The dental crown is the shape of a tooth and is fitted over the damaged tooth in order to improve its shape in size, strength, and overall appearance. There are many different kinds of dental crowns that are available that each have their particular advantages and drawbacks. In this short video, we'll go over the various kinds of dental crowns as well as what situations each is advised. 1. Porcelain crowns. Porcelain crowns is one of the most sought-after forms that dental crowns are. They're constructed of tooth-colored material that like natural teeth. This makes them a great alternative for teeth on the front. Crowns made of porcelain are impervious to staining and make the perfect choice to patients concerned about the look of their smile. They can, however, be more vulnerable to breaking or chipping over other crown types, which is why they might not be the ideal alternative for people who grind their teeth or bite them. 2. Metal crowns. Metal crowns are another popular form of crown for dental use. They're constructed of the most durable alloy of metal that includes silver or gold. This creates them very strong and impervious to wear. They are an excellent choice for those with tooth decay, for those whose strength and endurance is more important than the appearance. They aren't tooth-colored, and they're not as aesthetically attractive than porcelain crowns. Patients may be prone to allergies to certain metals. Therefore, it's crucial to discuss the metal allergy with your dentist prior to obtaining the crown made of metal. 3. Porcelain fused to metal crowns. Porcelain fused to metal crowns are a combination of porcelain and metal. The base of the metal is employed to give toughness and durability. Then the layer of porcelain used to provide an appealing, natural appearance. The crowns of this type are a very popular alternative for patients looking to combine the toughness of a crown but the appearance of porcelain crowns. However, porcelain fused to metal crowns can be more prone to chipping or cracking than solid porcelain crowns, so they may not be the best choice for patients who are hard on their teeth. 4. All ceramic crowns. Ceramic crowns that are all ceramic consist of ceramic, resulting in the appearance of natural teeth similar to real teeth. The crowns can be a great alternative for patients conscious of the appearance of their smiles and prefer one that fits seamless with their teeth. The all-ceramic crowns can be suitable for patients suffering from metal allergies since they are not made of metal components. All-ceramic crowns, however, do not have the same strength than metal crowns. Therefore, they are not the most suitable option for those with weak-to-back teeth of patients or those who grind or clench their teeth. 5. Zirconia crowns. Zirconia crowns can be described as a kind of all-ceramic dental crown composed of strong and long-lasting zirconia. The crowns are very resistant to fractures and chips and are a great alternative for those seeking the longest-lasting, durable crown that is able to stand up to damage and where that comes with regular usage. Zirconia crowns also are biocompatible. This means that they're less likely to create allergic reactions for patients. They are, however, less transparent than other varieties of crowns. As such, they are not the most suitable option for patients looking for a dental crown that's as clear as natural teeth. In the end, there are various types of dental crowns that are available that each have their particular benefits and drawbacks. Porcelain crowns are an extremely popular selection due to their natural-looking appearance as well as their resistance to staining, as well as metal crowns are renowned for their toughness and long-lasting qualities. Porcelain fused to metal crowns offer a balance of strength and aesthetics, while all ceramic crowns provide a natural look for patients concerned about the appearance of their smile. Zirconia crowns are a good choice for patients looking for the most durable and long-lasting, strong crown that's less likely to trigger allergic reactions. Your dentist will help you choose which crown best suits the needs of your particular situation and goal.